Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Brevo for customer lifecycle messaging. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To register with Brevo for customer lifecycle messaging, start by opening your web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Brevo's official website. Once the page loads, look for the Sign Up or Get Started button, usually found in the top right corner. Click on this button to begin the registration process. You'll be directed to a sign-up form asking for your email address. Enter your email address and create a secure password. Make sure to follow the password guidelines provided on the page. After entering your details, check for any additional options, like subscribing to the newsletter. If you wish to receive updates, select that option. Once you've filled in the required information, click on the Create Account or Sign Up button. Brevo will send a verification email to the address you provided. Open your email inbox and look for the email from Brevo. Click on the verification link in the email to confirm your account. After verification, you'll be redirected to the Brevo login page. Enter your email address and password to log in to your new account. Once logged in, you may be prompted to complete your profile information. Fill out any requested details, such as your name and company information. Next, review the available customer lifecycle messaging options in the dashboard. Explore the tools and features that Brevo offers for managing your messaging campaigns. Take some time to familiarize yourself with the platform's layout and capabilities. Congratulations, you're now registered and ready to start using Brevo for customer lifecycle messaging. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.